Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to manage app permissions on Vivo V50 Lite 5G. If you're using Vivo V50 Lite 5G and now you want to manage any app permissions, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to keep a long press on the app which permission you want to manage. As I'm going to manage permissions of this one, so just keep a long press on it. Then select info icon here, and after that you'll get an interface of this time. It will open your phone settings, but if you want get this here, you just have to go for settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for apps. In apps, you must have to look for all apps and just tap on it. And here you just have to look for app which permissions you want to manage. As I am going to manage randomly this one, so just tap on it. Then select permissions. And here you can easily manage all permissions of the apps. Just select and then not allow or allow if you want. So that's how you can easily manage any app permissions on your Vivo V50 Lite 5G phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.